Even before the pandemic struck, firms were really struggling, taking pains to ensure that they were retaining and developing their people and also finding new ones. So in today's session, we're going to be finding out just what firms are doing today in order to attract Gen Z new talent, and also to meet the recruitment challenges ahead. In order to do that, we've assembled an award-winning cast of accountants.
When we interview, we have a pretty simple route. We select them based on their academic abilities. So you need to have had a first or a 2-1 from a decent university in the first place. And then we have a chat with them, which isn't really necessarily about accountancy. But if we are still talking after an hour, we probably think that that sort of person is right for our business, because most of our business is customer service, and so we want people who are going to be able to serve our clients well. So that's the key. It isn't all educational skills at this stage. It's much more, can you talk to people? Can you be really interested in what our clients want to tell them, and be really interested in trying to help them?